Hello, and let's begin. In this video, I'll explain the kind of users who can benefit from the BOOKR Class School package and who can do what on the various platforms. Every school that has purchased a number of BOOKR Class School licenses can register school admins, teachers and students, as long as there are enough active licenses in the school account. Now let's see what each of these users can do in the BOOKR Class system. A school admin is a person who has access to all functions in the BOOKR Class Teacher's Dashboard, mobile and desktop app. There can be up to 3 admins per school. They can be teachers or someone in a management position. It's possible to change the school admin anytime. The school admin can add students and teachers to the system. They are also responsible for making sure there are enough active licenses in the school account. As a teacher, you are added to the Teacher's Dashboard by the school admin. They will give you login details so you can access the BOOKR Class mobile app, desktop app and Teacher's Dashboard. You'll be able to add students, create classes, assign books, check reading habits and assignment completion, browse books, download activity tips, watch previews and manage student licenses. Students are added to the Teacher's Dashboard by teachers. They can only access the BOOKR Class mobile and desktop app with their student code. The moment they start using the mobile or desktop app, their reading activity can be followed in the Teacher's Dashboard in the Statistics section. It's important to understand that each user needs to hold an active license to have full access to the BOOKR Class system. So don't forget, when you add a student to the Teacher's Dashboard, you also have to assign them an active license so that they can access the entire BOOKR Library app. To learn more about how to add a license to a student, please watch our How to Assign Licenses to Students tutorial video.